In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Changing Samsung's themes is one of the first things I do when I get my hands on a new Samsung device. If you want to change theme of this one, just pinch your device's display and hit themes at the bottom between wallpaper and style and widgets sections. Now you need to find perfect theme for you in themes category by clicking on one of those, tapping on the search bar to type in whatever you want to, selecting one of those options or hitting top, selecting all at the top left corner and picking all, paid or free. Whatever you decided after picking perfect theme for you, you need to buy it or download it for free by hitting download. Then hit apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my Samsung has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you need to access the same app, which is Themes. Select Themes at the bottom left corner and this one, this icon, called My Stuff at the top left corner under Featured. Now tap on your default theme and choose Apply in the pop-up to go back to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!